Here's a hair dryer. I pick it up, push it to 1, nothing happens. 2, nothing happens. So why it's not working? Well, it's not working because although there's light up here, which is this one, as it's visible, you have to push this one also. This is for that light up there. But it's not just for the light, but for the hair dryer also. So now, with that light started, this is started also. Cold air, warm air, and that's a safety switch. So if it's left on, it will turn off, even if it's on here. So if the hair dryer is not working, check the switch. So only that one is needed.